Hey guys, welcome back to Jermaine Morgan TV. Yes, we're still in our 1 minute lick series, and today I'm going to break down 1 minute lick number 8, so stay tuned. So right off, if you've been here for a while and you've been checking out the other lessons and you saw lesson number 7, a breakdown of lick number 7, you know we're in the key of E minor again. We're going to be here for a little minute, having a little fun, rocking out with these really funky grooves. So right off the bat, you're hearing this line that we're doing. Okay, and what we're building that line off of is the E minor 9. Really funky chord is used in a lot of different funk type ideas, and you would hear the voice in a little different if it was played on a guitar or something of that nature, but we're building the chord off of that E minor idea. It's a really dominant sound, and so we start the line off with this, with that 2 3 2 3 5 6 1 flat 7, something that's really common and more soulful type music. So again, walk it down, and that's minor pentatonic that we're using to walk it down. E minor pentatonic. That's the only thing we do different, is kind of resolve it same as that, an octave down. Okay, so again, basically do that twice. Back to the open E. So we just put that in the context of the groove. So you can go on and on with that, and it feels good, as you can hear. So that's pretty much the gist of that. We're building that off the idea of that E minor 9 chord. So those are a lot of the chord tones you're hearing in that. It's not necessarily completely E minor 9 as a whole, but it's certain chord tones that we're pulling away from that, as well as the minor pentatonic and the dominant chord as well, that we're pulling these different chord tones from. And that's the idea, and that's the type of chord that this will work over, or any type of minor type funk type groove. You can pull this out in that, you know, and stab that one as hard as you can. So that's pretty much it for this entire lick, guys. I'm not going to make it more complicated than that. Please comment below, let me know what you think. Also comment and let me know if you got it. If you don't have it, watch it over and over and over again and slow it down until you get the actual line. And I will see you guys on the next video, where I help you unlock your sound.